Well, we've been having some great input here today about the quality of the Welsh offer for international students, and certainly the discussions that I've been involved in have really identified it's more than just those tangible attractions of league table positions, research and teaching reputations. There's something deeper about the community that we create here, the culture, the sense of belonging, and it's even more than just the tangible issues around safety and security. It's a sense of well-being, perhaps related to our Future Generations Act, and it's a sense in which we've created an environment in which people can thrive. And that seems to cut across all 8 universities. We've all spoken about how we feel that, how we see it, how it's reflected back to us by the alumni that we then speak to around the world. And this is absolutely fantastic for Wales and for our universities and for our students.